Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Made in Germany.
Vulcan is an eco-friendly water treatment system that prevents limescale deposits and rust in piping systems and equipment. Vulcan also gently reduces existing limescale deposits in old pipes and appliances. The eco-friendly Vulcan Impulse technology works without salt, without chemicals, and without magnetism, and thus protects the environment. The eco-friendly Vulcan Anti-Scale System is installed at the Clerfond Automobiles car wash in Flèche, France. Cars can have big problems with scale. After installing the Vulcan S25, the scale deposits disappeared from pumps, filters, nozzles, and brushes. The use of detergents has been reduced considerably, and recently clean cars have no trace of scale. More Vulcan references, studies, and test reports you can see on our website, cuwtvulcan.com. Contact your local Vulcan distributor to get a Vulcan test unit for your application.